together. And are you guys afraid?
I'm so scared.
A little nervous.
Yeah, we're all probably afraid.
All right, guys. On the count of 3, you're gonna taste. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, I think I have like. I think I really
Have two
this.
tastes?
All right. Yeah, you can take a retaste if you want.
I have
Oh,
no
I
idea.
got
All right. So are we ready to guess? Are you ready, Sam?
Yes.
Ready,
Thumbs
Jared?
up. Yep.
Molly, you ready?
Yep.
On the count of 3, give me a guess. 3, 2, 1.
Orange soda.
That's great.
I said
I
orange
said
soda.
orange soda.
Okay. So we have new sodas in front of you. On the count of 3, you're gonna taste. 3, 2, 1.
I just got one. And I think I have 2 in my mind, so I'm gonna take another sip.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
All right. So one more taste if you need it. You can do the sniff test and everything if you need to. All right.
I don't know what it is.
All right. Okay.
Alright, I'm just gonna guess this.
So here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Root
First
beer.
beer.
I said cream soda.
I said root beer.
I thought it was cream soda.
Sam's the only one that got it right.
Nah, that sucks.
Who was it?
All right. So you guys have new drinks in front of you again.
Yep.
Are you guys ready for the next one? So in 3, 2, 1, drink.
Alright, I think I know what this is. Actually, no, I don't.
I think I know what it is. I feel like an idiot.
All right. Are we ready?
Yep.
Make your guess in 3, 2, 1.
Dr. Pepper.
Is it first beer?
Jared did. All right, so Bert.
I thought it
Yeah.
was first
All right, it was Dr. Pepper.
Yeah!
All right, Sam.
2 points.
Yeah,
2
you can
points.
pause.
She got 3. Wait.
What
All right, guys, you have 3 new drinks in front of you.
Oh yeah. I-
On the count of 3, 3, 2, 1, drink.
Ew, that tastes. I totally know
Don't
it.
move your. I think.
I totally know. Dad, I totally know.
Okay.
I hope it's black, because it's one of my black guesses.
So, are you guys ready to guess?
Yes.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Diet Coke.
Cherry Coke.
Yes. Cherry Coke it is.
No! I hope he's coming to the Grand Loser.
That's nice of you.
Way to support your brother.
Where is you?
3 new drinks for you.
That's one.
On the count of 3, 3, 2, 1.
I'm
3,
not sure.
2, 1.
Moxie.
Moxie.
I'm not sure, Dad.
Okay. It was Moxie. Yay!
So now my dad is going to say who is the loser.
Well, first I'm going to say who is the winner, which is Sam. Congratulations, Sam.
Yeah.
Who's second?
Molly and Jared are tied.
Oh.
So, I am gonna do one more blindfold taste test as basically a sudden death type of round.
Alright.
So you're gonna have a mix of 2 of these, and you have to guess exactly what the mixes are. It's gonna be 2 sodas together, and you guys have to mix. So blindfolds on.
Oh no. Oh no, Jared, are you scared?
Yes.
Me too, I'm scared.
This is gonna be tricky.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, drink.
Dad, what was that one that was tricky?
I don't know because you're gonna have. Well, that one's not in there. The one you didn't know.
Okay.
So, on the count of 3, I'm gonna ask you for one of the ingredients. You're both gonna do it at the same time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Coke!
Pepper.
Okay. On the count of 3, we're gonna try for the second one.
Oh,
3,
shoot.
2, 1.
Dr.
Cherry Coke.
Pepper.
All right, on a technicality, Molly loses.
No!
Molly said Coke when it was actually Cherry Coke. And Jared actually answered correctly with Cherry Coke, but you both said Dr. Pepper, so.
No.
All right.
Can you take the blindfold off?
So let me
Do I have to guess?
No.
Yeah, because it's all five.
It's all of them, right?
Yep.
Oh, shoot. Oh,
With
my.
everything mixed in one, drink as much as you can.
Oh.
What color is it?
It's brown.
It's like
It had no
brown,
choice but to
and
be
then
brown.
like it looks black. Like on the first it looks gold, and then it looks like orangey, and then like down it looks like whole black.
Like the bottom of a lake.
Right, that does
What's it
not-
smell like?
Stinky socks. To me, it smells
All right,
kinda
after you
nice.
drink some of it, I'll have a little bit too, because I kind of lost a little too.
That tastes like my medicine that I drink. Ugh.
I think that'll mean Mama like it.
It's not bad. Actually, I thought it was going to be way worse than that.
Well, that was the end of the soda challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comment section down below if you've had one of these sodas.